Can you spot the opposites? Tommy has a big balloon, and Lily has a small one. Let's learn and play with fun opposite words. Tall. Short.
Wow! Let's see who is fast and who is slow. Tommy is very fast. Poor Lily is very slow.
Look, this is fat. And this is thin. We can learn together. Yay! Tommy swings high up into the sky. Wow, so high! Lily slides all the way down. Look at her go! Up and down are fun! Tommy's soup is very hot. Can you say hot? Lily's ice cream is cold. Wow, that is very cold. Can you tell what is hot and cold? Tommy waves in the bright day. Lily waves in the starry night. Let's learn it again. Revision time. Mine is very big. That's right, Tommy. It is big. And Lily has a small balloon. It is so small. Big and small. This tree. This tree is very tall. This bush is very short. Look at Tommy. He is feeling very happy. But Lily is feeling sad. Don't worry, Tommy can help her. Working together is the toy. Now both of our friends are happy again. Wow, Tommy is so fast! Fast! And Lily is very slow. Slow! Tommy is round and fat. Lily is very thin. Great job! Tommy swings way up high. Look at him go up. Now it is Lily's turn. She is sliding way down. Down to the ground. Wow, that was so much fun.
Tommy's soup is very hot. Lily's ice cream is cold.
Cold.
Let's learn about hot.
And cold. Our big world has day and night. Tommy loves the sunny day. Lily loves the starry night. Both are magical, aren't they? Let's revise all opposites. Thank you for learning and playing with us at AMK Tiny World. AMK Tiny World, sing and play. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next adventure.